Imagine waking up every day excited to work, not because you have to, but because you want to. What if productivity wasn't about pushing harder, but feeling better? In this book, Ali Abdaal reveals a new way to get more done without burning out. If you've struggled with motivation, procrastination, or just feeling stuck, this book has the answers. Stay with me till the end, and let's uncover the secret to feel-good productivity. The core idea traditional productivity advice often focuses on discipline, time management, and willpower. But Ali Abdaal introduces a fresh perspective. Productivity should feel good, not forced. When we enjoy the process, we naturally become more productive. The book is built around 3 pillars: energy, enthusiasm, and enjoyment, and shows how to use them to get more done effortlessly. Key lessons from the book: 1. Energy, the foundation of productivity. If you feel drained all the time, it's impossible to be productive. Abdaal emphasizes the importance of sleep, exercise, and mindfulness. Instead of relying on caffeine and late-night work marathons, he suggests optimizing your routine for sustainable energy. Simple changes, like moving your body daily, staying hydrated, and taking breaks, can boost your energy and make work feel easier. Enthusiasm, work on what excites you. Instead of forcing yourself to do things you hate, try finding joy in your tasks. Abdaal encourages working on projects that excite you, or reframing boring tasks in a way that makes them engaging. He also highlights the power of play, approaching work with a curious, experimental mindset rather than seeing it as a burden. 3. Enjoyment, making productivity fun. Feeling good while working isn't a luxury, it's a strategy. The more we enjoy our tasks, the more we want to do them. Abdaal suggests using techniques like the fun framework, where you make work enjoyable. By adding music, changing your environment, or rewarding yourself for progress. Practical takeaways: replace the hustle mindset with a feel-good approach. Prioritize energy management over time management. Find ways to inject enthusiasm into your work. Turn tasks into games to make them more enjoyable. Final thoughts: feel good. Productivity is a game changer for anyone tired of pushing themselves to the limit. Ali Abdaal proves that being productive doesn't have to feel like a struggle. It can be enjoyable, natural, and even fun. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Audiobook Zone BD for more book insights. Let me know in the comments what's one thing you'll change about your productivity after hearing this. See you in the next one.